Space. What it means to each of us is personal, unique, and having space anytime, anywhere allows new thoughts and greatness to be awakened. And yes, even a vehicle can be that space. In order to offer a space of possibilities for you, careful thought was put into both the interior and exterior design from the beginning. And the cabin was stretched out to increase the space inside. It's a space that fits your diverse lifestyles, that pursues sustainability, and that cares about you. From the interior to the exterior. A perfect form, a streamlined silhouette. Simple, yet sensuous. The streamlined silhouette reduces air resistance and elevates the entire driving experience, allowing it to be more agile and dynamic, reflecting the future we have always imagined. Silhouette of the new era, Electrified Streamliner. This is the ideal space where your full potential is awakened and your story begins.
Hi, I'm Mia, a sustainable artist. For this collection, I recycle trash into fashion, what the world calls trashion art. In order to raise the environmental awareness, I decided to put on a trashion show in the metaverse. To prepare, I've been doing lots of long commutes. Jeans, fishing nets, plastic materials. It takes a lot of effort to find recyclable materials. Good thing I can use the voice memo function right away while I'm on the go. It even parks itself too. Nice. My schedule's been hectic, but having a stress-free driving space really helps. It assists me in so many smart ways.
Even after the sun goes down, Mia still gets all the help she needs, with plenty of driving range left for her trip back home. Now, it's time to sit back and relax. The interior lighting sets just the right mood. There's no finer cafe, is there? So Mia can use this space for healing and to recharge her body and mind. Her exhaustion disappears. I wonder what trashion idea she's dreaming of now. It's the perfect space for Mia to finalize the details of her upcoming show.
Hi, I'm Frederick. I'm a metaverse designer and I design spaces for the virtual world. I constantly go back and forth between the physical and the virtual in my work. And with my workspace too. Sometimes I work in the studio and sometimes I work in the car. From here to there to anywhere really. Design ideas come to me in all sorts of places, even when I'm driving. But if I hit a creative roadblock, I simply customize the driving mood and then I'm ready for some fun driving. As I drive faster, the lights change and my creativity starts to flow. And suddenly, a new idea pops into my head.
Boom! Just the spark he needed. That's when Fredrik goes to work. And does he need to go to the office to do it? Of course not. Thanks to this perfect workspace, he's able to turn his ideas into reality anytime, anywhere.
Fredrik, hi! Where are the files?
Oh, I completely forgot.
Okay, well, I'm going live in 1 hour. So please send it to me ASAP.
Absolutely, I will.
Thank you.
Hello, I'm Joan. I'm a social content creator and I introduce the latest fashion and lifestyle trends to the world. And there's no better place to do it from than this cozy space. It also has plenty of room to enjoy a variety of entertainment. But today, I'll soon be busy broadcasting to let people know about the virtual fashion show. First, I simply plug in the device, then set up the table and camera, and now I'm ready to socialize with the world.
And we're live! Hi everyone, welcome back to Joan Day. Today I have special news, the virtual fashion show. Woo! And my friends Mia and Fredrik have been working super hard on this project.
And Joan's broadcast has gone live. In this space, she can connect with her followers anytime, anywhere, raising awareness about a virtual fashion show. Finally, the preparations for the show are complete. Perfect. Now, let's turn it up and drive. Finally, it's showtime. What an opening! Wow! Mia's pieces are stunning! They really pop in a space designed by Fredrik. And look at all the online buzz from Joan's broadcast. With all the new ideas awakened in this space, there's no telling how far IONIQ 6 will take us. IONIQ 6 provides a stress-free driving space and a cozy space for healing. A space to enjoy fun driving, where work can be done. A space for entertainment and socializing. With a simple yet sensuous streamlined silhouette, time spent in this space will open a new era. space that is flexible enough to fit all lifestyles. A space to find your possibilities and awaken your greatness. Awaken your world. Electrified Streamliner, IONIQ 6. Wait, there's more. With IONIQ, you can experience a living space on wheels, allowing for time together with your family. A living space that accommodates flexible lifestyles. And a personalized space that awakens your world. IONIQ for each and every lifestyle. Look, what's that? And another.